traders at Axis Bank said they expect the T-bills secondary market to remain bullish as market liquidity remains buoyant. On the bond side, investors take position ahead of next week Monday's auction. Uzo Anakabe, Treasury Team member at Axis Bank, joins me now for more market updates. Uzo, thank you for joining us today.
For having me.
First of all, before we go into market trading action so far today, I'd like you to just talk to us about market reaction to this latest CBN circular regarding the FX market, the 43 items, the ban on the 43 items that have been removed, and CBN, talking about just, lending more support to supply at the market.
Yeah, thank you so much. So late in the trading session yesterday, we got a circular from the central bank announcing that they have lifted ban on the 43 items that had been initially prohibited as of 2015 from accessing foreign exchange. It's worthy to know that even when the market was regularized in June earlier this year, we still saw the CBN insisting that these items were banned. However, lifting those bans now and other points in the circular which propose that the CBN is reinstating the willing buyer, willing seller market is going to promote transparency in the market. We also noted that the CBN has also assured the market participants that they will continue to intervene in the market from time to time. This is going to boost supply in the official market, and if we see a lot of funds coming into the official market, we will definitely see rates coming down in the market.
Right. Let's go to other segments of the market now. Bring us up to speed on trading today across the treasury bills and the bond market.
So we noticed today that the market turnover yesterday closed at 450 billion naira, and this consequently led to the rates in the OPR and overnight rate closing at sub 1% level and 1.9%. Respectively. In the T-bills market, we have observed bullish sentiment as most market participants continue to source for the newly issued NTB bills on Wednesday this week. Amidst limited supply, we've seen activities in the August and September bills, which have had a wide bid-ask spread. Consequently, the closing rates was declined by about 106 basis points from the opening levels in the market yesterday, and with few activities in the short-term bills, November bills trading at 2.5 levels. On the bond market, we've seen quiet activity in the market. Most of the activities centered around cherry-picking on the bills. We've seen some activities on the short end where we see buying sentiment, while on the long end we've seen some sell-offs there. However, the 2053 bond closed at 16% handles, and we've not seen much happening today in the market.
Right.
In anticipation for the bond auction that will be conducted on Monday.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that. Monday's a bond auction. What are your expectations around subscription levels and stop rates?
So we are expecting them to float about 360 billion naira in the auction, and most market participants are anticipating that rates will move up slightly in the market in the auction, and we are expecting that it will close at 16 handles for the long tenor, and maybe 14, 15 handles for the short to medium tenors in the market.
Thank you so much, Uzo. We're going to have to leave it there. Thank you for talking to us today. We appreciate your time on the show. Thank you for bringing us up to speed.
Thank
Uzo
you so
Anakabe,
much.
Treasury Team member at Axis Bank.